So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get more than 10,000 Facebook page likes for less than just $100. Facebook page likes are not necessarily something that we focus a lot on, but it's really great if you're just starting out because it serves as social proof to your Facebook page. So if you're just starting to run ads and someone click on your ad and they maybe go onto your Facebook page to check if you're a legit business or not, if they see that you have anything from 10 to 100 likes on your Facebook page, they might not think that you're a legit established business. So that's why it's so great to have a lot of likes on your page, because it serves as social proof and credibility. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact type of creative that I used and what I recommend everyone uses if you're going to run a Facebook page likes campaign. So stick around to the end of the video and basically copy and paste that strategy. So I'm now inside my example ad account. So the first thing we're going to do is just hit create. And then you're going to choose the engagement objective for the campaign. Click that and click continue. I'm not going to give this campaign a name because it's just an example and I'm not going to publish this, but you go ahead and give your campaign a name. Then we're going to go over to the ad set level. Now for the conversion location, you're going to choose the Facebook page. Make sure you select the correct page here. And you're going to set your budget. You could do a daily budget or you could do a lifetime budget. You could very well do a lifetime budget if you're just looking for a certain amount of likes. In that case, you can set an amount, for example, $100 if you want 10,000 likes. Put that in here and set the start and end date. I would recommend spread it out over at least 1 to 2 weeks. Just because then you will give Facebook the opportunity to get you a lower cost per like in that time period. Scroll down to audience and select locations. Now in this case, we're going to do locations based on where it's really cheap to run Facebook ads. Now if you only want page likes from people in a specific location and maybe in the location where you're doing business, then this might not be the best way for you. But if we're just doing this campaign for the sake of getting a lot of likes and build up social proof and credibility to our Facebook page, then this is a great way to do it. You can simply copy and paste the locations that I have in the description of this video. So I'm going to put a link to this document in the description of this video. So you can simply go in here and copy all of these locations. Then go back to your Facebook Business Manager and just paste them in here. For location type, you're going to select countries. And then it should pop up like this and match locations. Add 16 locations. Now, as you can see here, we have got an estimate of daily results or daily page likes. So make sure that looks good with you. If you're going to put in some more expensive locations, that amount might decrease depending on your budget. So make sure that you look over the estimated daily results and make sure that it looks good for you. Make sure everything else is open, have the age 18 to 65 plus, all genders. Do not do any more targeting on this level. Now, the next thing you're going to do is set up the ad, and that's very simple. What I do recommend for most businesses is to just run an ad with an image. This ad is not really complicated. All it's showing is the like button to a lot of potential people that might like your page. So what I'm going to do here is just select my Facebook page cover photo, and it will look like this. The next thing you can do is just to put in a really simple primary text. Could be anything about your business, just a short few sentences about who you are and what you're doing. And once you've done that, you can just go ahead and hit publish. Now I'm going to hop over to the ad account of my client and show you the results that we got for that client. So as you can see here, this is a period from 17th of August to around end of August. We got around 0.1 Norwegian kroner per page like, and that amounts to around $0.0097 US per like. So if we scale that up to 10,000 likes, you should be able to get 10,000 page likes for around $97. Now, if you like this video, I would highly appreciate it if you can give it a like and maybe give me a comment or subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And I'm also going to invite you to join my free Facebook group for growth hacking for e-commerce, ads, and data-driven strategies. If you're interested in learning more about marketing or you have more questions related to Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, anything related to those kind of topics, you can hit the link in the description of this video and I will let you into this private group of humble marketers that looking to learn more and share their experience with others. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.